Hey guys, Brock Bowman here with Bowman GT. Quick update on these Morimoto headlights that I purchased from the Retrofit Source. I've had a problem with them, as I kind of mentioned before, and everything seemed like it was on track to get taken care of. However, I have recently received pushback, and the light has continued to fail even worse. And they're asking me to explain myself and prove basically that this is not a wiring issue or something on my end. Now, you guys know I do work on this truck, and I take responsibility for my actions. However, I do expect the same from others, and now I can tell you that along with the turn signal having a problem, as you can see, one of the DRLs isn't working at certain times. This is a real problem for me, as now the truck doesn't match, and it's somewhat embarrassing to drive that it looks like it's a Ford failure. Well, it's not, obviously. And I'd like this fixed ASAP. So when I call Retrofit Resource, I'm on hold for 15-20 minutes, and I don't have anybody answering my calls, and I'll get an occasional email back with vague details about needing more information. So I'm going to put this video up because I need to put pressure on companies like this to stand behind their products and to take care of their customers in a reasonable fashion. Now, I'm already not thrilled about the prospect of having to redo this job just for one headlight that failed because of quality control issues by a company that I paid good money to not have quality issues, but I'm willing to let that go if I can just get another headlight and not have to pay for it and wait for them to refund me, etc., etc., etc. This is not how I do business with people. So I will update you guys to let you know exactly what happens with them in the near future, but for now I would question buying these headlights. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. As always, bye.